ask you something. Have you ever been in a conversation where you understood every single word, but by the time you translated your answer in your head, the moment had already passed?
Oh my goodness, yes. All the time. It is so frustrating.
What if I told you that the problem isn't your English level? The real problem is that invisible translation step happening in your brain.
Wait, so you mean I can stop doing that?
Absolutely. And today, we are going to show you exactly how. Stay with us. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with ASH podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Natasha.
And I'm Zack. Hello, Natasha, and hello to all of our wonderful listeners out there.
It's so good to see you, Zack. How has your week been?
Oh, it has been busy. I was trying to have a conversation in English with my colleague, and I kept stopping to think. It felt so awkward.
Oh, I completely understand. That pause, that silence while your brain is working so hard to translate, it is exhausting, isn't it?
Yes, exactly. It feels like my brain is doing gymnastics.
Brain gymnastics. I love that. Well, today we are going to give your brain a rest.
Oh, good, because my brain needs a vacation.
Well, maybe not a vacation, but we will make things much easier. So today's episode is all about one big idea: how to stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English.
Is that even possible? I mean, I've been translating my whole life.
I know it feels impossible, but here's the truth. Translating is not your fault. It is a natural habit when you are learning. But it's also the biggest barrier between you and fluency.
Barrier? That sounds serious.
It is, but in a good way. Once we remove this barrier, everything changes. You will speak faster, you will feel more confident, and conversations will feel natural.
Okay, I want that. What do I need to do?
Just stay with us until the end. We are going to share 5 powerful techniques that will completely change how your brain processes English.
5 techniques? I am ready.
Perfect. And before we dive in, if you're enjoying this episode, please give us a like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is also learning English. Your support means the world to us.
Yes, and leave a comment telling us where you're listening from. We love hearing from you.
Okay, Zack, let me ask you this. When you speak in your native language, do you think about grammar rules?
No, I just speak. The words just come out.
Exactly. The words just flow. But when you speak English, what happens?
Oh, well, I think of what I want to say in my language first, then I translate each word, and then I check the grammar, and then finally I speak.
And by that time,
the conversation has moved on.
exactly. That translation step is like a traffic jam in your brain. It slows everything down and makes speaking feel unnatural.
So how do I stop? I mean, it happens automatically.
That is the perfect question. The answer is we need to build new mental pathways. We need to connect English words directly to meanings, not to your native language words.
That sounds complicated.
It sounds complicated, but it's actually quite simple. Let me show you. Okay, imagine your brain is like a house with many rooms. Right now, when you hear an English word, your brain walks from the English room down a long hallway into your native language room, grabs the translation, and walks all the way back.
That is a lot of walking. No wonder I am tired.
Yes, but what if we could create a direct door so the English word goes straight to the meaning without visiting the other room at all?
Oh, that would be so much faster.
Exactly. And that is what we're going to do today. We are going to build those direct doors.
I love this. Okay, so how do we build these doors?
We are going to use 5 techniques. The first 3 are about building new connections, and the last 2 are about practice and immersion.
Okay, I am ready. Let's start.
Before we get into the techniques, let me explain why this works. Your brain is incredibly smart. It always looks for the fastest, easiest path to understanding,
Okay, that makes sense.
right? Right now, the fastest path it knows is translation. But if we give it a new path and practice that new path again and again, your brain will say, "Oh, this is easier," and it will switch automatically.
So it is like training my brain.
Yes, exactly like training. And here's the beautiful part. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent.
But what if I make mistakes? What if I forget words?
Zach, mistakes are proof that you are trying. And forgetting words is completely normal. In fact, it's part of the process. Think of it like this. When you were learning to ride a bike, did you fall?
Oh, yes, many times.
But you kept trying, and now you ride without thinking, right?
Oh, I see. English is the same.
Exactly the same. Now, let's get into the techniques. Okay, here are the 5 most powerful techniques to stop translating and start thinking in English. Technique number 1, learn new words using pictures, not translations.
Pictures. How does that work?
Okay, imagine you want to learn the word dump truck. Instead of writing dump truck equals and then the word in your language, you look at a picture of a dump truck.
Oh, so I see the picture and I think dump truck.
Yes, your brain connects the English word directly to the image of the truck. No translation needed.
So I should use image flashcards?
Exactly. Or you can use a simple trick. When you learn a new word, just search for it on Google Images. Look at 5 or 6 pictures and your brain will understand.
That is so simple. I love it.
Technique number 2, throw away your bilingual dictionary.
What? But I use it every day.
I know, but here's the problem. Every time you look up a word and see the translation, you're training your brain to translate.
Oh no. So what should I use?
An English learner's dictionary. It explains English words using simple English.
But what if I don't understand the explanation?
Then you look up the words in the explanation. Yes, it takes a little longer at first, but your brain stays in English mode the whole time.
Okay. That makes sense. I will try it.
Good. Cambridge, Oxford, and Merriam-Webster all have excellent learners' dictionaries online. Technique number 3. Become the narrator of your own life.
The narrator? Like in a movie?
Yes, exactly like in a movie. As you do simple daily activities, describe what you are doing in English, but only using words you already know.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, let's practice right now. Imagine you're making breakfast.
Okay, I am walking to the kitchen. I am opening the refrigerator. I take out the eggs. Now I am cracking the eggs into a bowl.
Perfect, that's exactly it.
This is actually fun.
It is, and here's the key. If you don't know a word, skip it. Don't stop to translate. Just keep going with the words you know.
So I'm forcing my brain to think in English only.
Exactly. You are building that direct door we talked about. Technique number 4 is called shadowing. This one is powerful for pronunciation and thinking in English.
Shadowing. Like My shadow on the ground?
Yes, you become the shadow of a native speaker. You listen to them and repeat immediately, copying my tone and rhythm.
Wait, I don't understand. Do I repeat every word?
Let me show you. I will say a sentence and you repeat it immediately, copying my tone and rhythm. I love learning English.
I love learning English.
It makes me feel confident.
It makes me feel confident.
Perfect. Do you see? You're not thinking, you're just listening and repeating.
Oh, my brain is too busy to translate.
Exactly. That's the magic of shadowing. And technique number 5, immerse yourself with long listening.
What is long listening?
It means listening to English content for a long time, like a full podcast episode or an audiobook chapter, for at least 30 minutes to an hour.
But I will get tired.
Yes, and that is actually good. At first, your brain will try to translate, but after 20 or 30 minutes, it gets tired and something magical happens.
What happens?
Your brain quietly stops translating and just starts understanding. Many learners remember the exact moment this happens. Suddenly, you realize you have been understanding English for 10 minutes without translating at all.
Wow, that sounds incredible.
It is, and it happens to everyone who tries it. You just have to be patient and keep listening. You know, Zack, I want to share a story with you. I once worked with a student named Maria from Brazil.
Oh, what happened with Maria?
Maria could read English perfectly. She understood everything. But when someone spoke to her, she would freeze. She said she felt like her brain was a computer that kept crashing.
Oh, no, I know that feeling.
I told Maria to try just one thing, narrate her morning routine in English for 2 weeks. Just her morning routine, nothing else.
And what happened?
After 2 weeks, Maria sent me a voice message. She was crying, but happy crying. She said, "Natasha, something changed. Today at work, my colleague asked me a question and I answered immediately. I didn't translate, the words just came."
Oh, that is beautiful.
It was. And I want you to know, and I want everyone listening to know, that moment will come for you too. You are not broken. You are not slow. Your brain is just using an old path. We are building a new one.
Thank you, Natasha. That really helps.
You are so welcome. Okay, let's quickly review the 5 techniques we talked about today.
Yes, let's make sure everyone remembers.
Number 1, learn new words with pictures, not translations. Number 2, use an English-only learner's dictionary. Number 3, narrate your daily life in English. Number 4, practice shadowing with native speakers. And technique number 5, immerse yourself with long listening sessions.
And remember, you do not have to do all 5 at once. Start with just one.
Exactly. Pick the one that feels easiest and practice it every day for 2 weeks. That is all you need to start building those new pathways.
I am going to start with narrating my morning routine.
That is perfect, Zack. And I would love to know, which technique are you going to try first? Leave a comment and let us know.
Yes, and if you found this episode helpful, please share it with a friend who is also learning English. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode.
Remember, thinking in English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to try something new. Your English voice is already inside you. These techniques will just help you find it.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone. We truly appreciate you.
Yes, thank you. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye for now. Keep thinking in English.